welcome back to my channel. It's nighttime right now and I never vlog at night. I rarely vlog at night, but I decided to vlog because today I'll basically be coming on here showing you guys how to make this special butter sauce. Now what I'm making is some king crab legs, and then I also have some snow crab legs right here. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So I have my king crab legs in this pan, and then I have my snow crab legs in that pan. So I'm gonna, wait until that boils. I look a hot mess right now. I don't even care because right now it's like 8 o'clock at night right now, and this is how you know y'all family, because if I'm coming on camera looking like this, you see this hair right now and what I have on. King crab legs, and then also snow crabs with corn and potatoes, and then also the special sauce. So I'm excited because I want to give a shout out to Tae and Lou on YouTube. You guys, I watch you guys all the time, and you guys really inspired me to come on here and make y'all special butter sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead. I seen the recipe in your description box. So my friend was like, let's go to Drunken Crab, because I'm in Los Angeles and this is a place called Drunken Crab. And when I tell you guys that place is so yummy, it's delicious. But anyways, I decided to make it at home because I want to see how well I do it. But yeah, this is gonna be interesting. My friend, he's coming over here because I forgot to buy beer at the grocery store.
Some chili oil.
Look, so this is Tae and Lou. If you guys do not follow them on YouTube, go ahead and do that right now. So right now, here are the snow crab legs, and here are the king crab legs. Here's my corn, and here's my red potatoes. And right now I'm on YouTube trying to watch how they make this sauce. So yeah, let's see how this turns out.
Here we have 20 garlic cloves, which...
Okay guys, so I'm gonna add another onion because I do want to do another half of onion. So I have a white onion, and then I have a red onion. Old Bay seasoning, your chili chow chili oil sauce, you can buy that. Guys, you can buy this from like your nearest Korean market. I have some crushed red pepper, some black pepper, some garlic powder, red cayenne pepper, onion powder, Tabasco, and then guys, it says have 4 sticks of butter. You guys can use whatever butter that you want. So I chose to buy Blue Bonnet just because it comes in 4, and it would have been easier for me instead of buying the bucket and measuring it. So yeah, that's all that you're gonna need. And then also some lemon. You cannot forget the lemon in the sauce. Oh my goodness. But these basically, so guys, this is basically all the ingredients that I will be using for this. I wouldn't even call this a mukbang. If you guys want me to do a mukbang, I would totally do that. But this is But yeah guys, this is basically what you're going to be using for this seafood boil. Okay, so I don't have a cutting board, so I'm using the back of my baking board. Don't judge, don't judge, don't judge. But I think this is enough onions for me, for sure. And my friend, I think we don't need that much onions, I don't think. Okay guys, and then also I have garlic cloves. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. I don't even know how to cut this open. How do you even? Yeah. Ooh. I think it's 4 or 2. I don't know. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on.
We have 4 ounces of
4 ounces.
Huh?
4 ounces.
So this beer, I'm gonna do a shot top because that's what I drink the most. It says 25 SLOP. That's 25 ounces.
Yeah, that's 25 ounces, but that's okay because I'm only going to need 4 ounces of that.
Cool. Alright, I'll just get one. Okay.
All right.
Oh, do you want any snacks?
I have snacks over here.
Okay, I'll get some. Bye.
Yeah. All right. Bye. Huh? I don't know. Something Wonderland?
Alice in Wonderland.
Oh. You want to watch that?
I like this taste a lot.
Does it smell good? Fire. Stop blaming the damn candy. You do that shit every day. Cayenne pepper. Oh my gosh. Whew. Let's see.
I like this to taste a lot like butter and chocolate. They're that nice, juicy, and now there's more. This is my sauce and here to melt before that. That's what this stuff is. Right? Keep this moving because you do not want it to evaporate, and you also gotta be mindful of the heat. I guess that's more important. Be mindful that the heat's not too hot, just enough where it's not boiling, but you still steam. Add some onion powder. I would start with a tablespoon. Then add more if you like it. Tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder. Dry seasoning mash. I guess most of these dry seasoning. So let me say fresh seasoning mash. Now we're gonna add a teaspoon of pepper for color. Some Tabasco for a kick, I would say a tablespoon. And the thing about Tabasco is you can always add more Tabasco at the end. Always add it at the end because you never know sure that you're serving it too like spicy.
Hey, this should look good. I'm so proud of myself.
That's the sauce you're making right now?
Yeah.
might like it. You might not like it spicy. You might like it super spicy. Taste it as well. Only one way to do it.
Yeah. Almost forgot to pour the beer in there. That would have been all bad. Hey. How does that taste? No, I'm scared.
It's good. It's not like beer like you would think. It's like a very good, like, smooth beer.
Oh no.
Thank you. It don't taste like how beer you would say, like no Buller, Miller Lite or nothing. It's like a sweet beer.
I did that. Okay, that is the end of this video. I did the dang thing. Okay, you want to try it? Fire, right? It's fire. Alright guys, if you want me to see, me and my friend, we're going to be coming on here to do a mukbang pretty soon, but if you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.